Hi there, welcome to Big John Design and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're a new subscriber, do well to hit the bell notification and give me a thumbs up. If you're a returning subscriber, I really appreciate you and please just give me a thumbs up. And if you have not hit the bell notification, you can as well hit it down below. So yeah, a quick one. I've been out for a period of time because of some personal issues and I'm back now. So I got a request in the community lately that okay, how can we create the moving text across the screen at the top of the email, like that kind of the header GIFs on top of the email or something like this. So yeah, okay, so this is the email I did a while ago for applying nutrition. So I'm going to use these because their header is kind of two. Like what I mean by two is like the text is being wrapped. So I'm going to make this text to be long so that I'll be able to create that header GIF that the text is just going to be moving accordingly. But it's always kind of tricky, especially if you are using Figma. Maybe if you are using how will I even put it, if you are using Photoshop or you are using I forgot the name of that software, probably when I remembered I'll say it's easier for you to achieve that. So the first thing you need to do is this is the typeface, the text. You apply an auto layout. You can use your shortcut in the keyboard, which is Shift and A. Apply an auto layout and then you start duplicating each of the frame. So this is one. I'm going to make this okay. Yeah, is at the edge of the banner, and then the next thing I'm going to do is to push this. Okay, so if you are designing this on or making this GIF on Figma, it's always a bit tricky because you want it to give you that smoothness, like without much glitches and stuff. So you spend a lot of time trying to get this thing done. So I'm gonna pause the video a bit so I'll be able to get all of them done. Okay, yeah, I'm done. So I've been able to create a lot of them. So we can see different frames. Oops, sorry, different frames here, different frames. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to use a plugin. There's a plugin I've been using for a long time now and it's been delivering, giving me what I want, at least in the bare minimum, which is called GV Canvas. Yeah, GV Canvas. So once I select I'm going to select all of this frame. Make sure I select all of the frames. If your text is long, it's always a bit longer for you to be able to select everything. So this is how it plays out. Like I haven't really played with the speed and stuff yet, and you see it's giving you that feel because of how I made it look, you know, putting it one text, helps a lot, because if the GIF is moving, it's just going to move a bit seamlessly. So we will not want to have any loops. So I'm going to try to play around with 500 milliseconds to see how that gives me. Okay, it's moving fine. I'll try 200. Okay, yeah, sure. Probably I'm going to settle with 150. Okay, that's very fast, because the essence of the banner GIF is also to allow the subscriber to be able to read what is there. So I'm going to download it. It's already downloaded here. So now I'll come over to this particular banner. I'll make sure that I change it. I remove this one and add this. So how will I know if this is working? There's another plugin I use, which is called GIF exports play GIF. So I'll use that to see how the GIF is working inside of Figma first before it is being exported out. So now it's going to start playing the GIF. So you need to select the frame first that the GIF is inside before you're able to run this plugin. So this is how it's going to look in real time when I upload it into Klaviyo. If I'm uploading into Klaviyo, this particular email GIF that I download is what I'm going to use, which is this banner. So I'm just going to slice everything out here and then make sure that this is being put on Klaviyo separately. I might use easy GIF to make sure that I optimize the GIF for it to lower in size, but the quality and the quality is still going to be the same. So that's it on how to create a GIF using Figma plugin without having an advanced skill in either Photoshop or any other software. I'm not really good at with Photoshop, so I use the tools I know how to use best, which is Figma, to make sure that I get the work done. And I hope that this video has been helpful. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button and hit the subscribe button. Also share the video to your friends or just drop a comment. Okay, please just support the channel, support the growth. I'm going to be pushing out more content in recent days, coming days. Yeah, so it's nice to have you, and I hope to see you in the next one. I still remain Big John, and welcome to my YouTube channel. I appreciate it.